Well, this is driving me absolute bonkers. So I'm following NetworkChuck's VMware Raspberry Pi guide, and I am stuck on this part where you disable the limit RAM to 3 gigabytes. And in this advanced configuration, you can disable like this, F10 to save. Yes, I want to save. And then I exit and then down to continue. And to confirm, it should change up here, boop, to 8 gigabytes of RAM when I'm done. So we'll hit enter and escape. Takes some time. Here we go. And you can see that it didn't change. Now, if we go back to Device Manager and then Raspberry Pi configuration and then advanced configuration, it's back to enabled. I don't know why this is happening, and I've done everything I possibly can. I've updated the firmware. I have I've flashed everything, reflashed everything. I followed the guide like 6 times, and then I also just found a someone had posted on the Raspberry Pi forum today. It's August 22nd at 9 a.m. The exact same problem where he changes it. It reverts back to defaults, and it doesn't just happen with this particular setting too. If I change this to device tree and even add like an asset tag, let's say I add 1 and I hit F10 to save. Yes, I would like to save, and then go back to continue and then reboot. It will revert all of those settings back to where it was. Regardless of what I change in here, it never actually changes. So if you guys have any idea what this might be, you know, I've added the config.txt file. I've done, I think it's rammem or whatever is the guide, and I've forced that into 8 gigabytes. I've tried 1 gigabyte and booted, and that didn't work either, just to see if it like actually changes. Yeah, so this is a Raspberry Pi 4 8 gig model. You know, it definitely should be working, so I don't know why it's not. Any advice would be very helpful. And if I find a solution, I will create a follow-up video, and just look at the top comment. I'll pin it when I finally figure it out. So if you're running into this issue as well, hopefully I'll find a solution for it. But anyway, hopefully one of you guys will see this and help me out. Thanks.